Make an eggbox rainbow bug with JoJo Gnome. You'll need an empty egg box, some sticky tape, scissors, glue and some paint. On the lid of the egg box, draw one large circle and two smaller circles. Then draw two small rectangles. Now, draw a line down the middle of the bottom of the box where the eggs would have been. Carefully cut out all the sections. Now you might need an adult's help for this. Trim round the egg box. Lay the two bottom sections side by side. One of the sections has a little bit of cardboard sticking out of it. On the other part of the egg box, draw a line about halfway up and then make a cut. Slide the sections together. To make them more secure, use a bit of tape underneath to hold them together. Now you're ready to paint. Choose your rainbow paint colours. Remember, you can make orange by mixing red and yellow. You can make green by mixing yellow and blue. And you can make purple by mixing red and blue. Take your time painting the bug's body. Each section should be a different colour. Paint the circles and the rectangles too in different colours. Now glue the two little circles onto the rectangles and leave them to dry. Then glue those onto the back of the big circle. Now this is going to be the bug's face. On a piece of white paper, draw eyes and cut them out, and then stick them onto the face. Carefully draw a nose and a huge smile. Then glue the face onto the front or the side of the body. The side of the body is best if you're going to put your bug in a window. Stick the rainbow bug up on a window for everyone to enjoy. The story starter in JoJo Gnome's podcast number 21 is what you might make with an egg box. Why don't you listen to the story and try the story starter for yourself? JoJo Gnome Story Podcast is free and can be found at www.jojognome.com.